Hey guys, Red Jeep Chic here, and today I'm going to be doing a number of things, starting with pulling some panels so I can change out the locks on these new doors. After a number of break-ins, I decided that for the city, I'm going to be using my full doors. So I just picked these up. I'll be doing a Monster Liner video on these at a later date. But today what I really need to do is put new locks in them, since these ones did not have any keys. They're from some other random Jeep. And obviously I need to be able to lock my doors and get in and out of the Jeep with having to crawl through the back. So I'm gonna do a two-part video. First is gonna be on removing the door panel on full doors with a window crank, and then the second part of the video is going to be the lock install. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and remember to subscribe. Okay, so we're going to start with taking this off now. I tried the rag method, I tried the push and clip method, I couldn't get it off. So I buckled and I went and bought the tool for it, and hopefully this works the way it says it does. There's not really good instructions on it. Not really sure. Oh, that was fucking amazing. Guys, just buy the $6 tool and save yourself some time. All right, guys, step 2 is removing the panel screws. So they are just a couple screws here, here, and here. And then we're gonna be popping the panel off, so. So I'm debating whether to just peel this. Oh, it sticks back down. Okay. Oh God. Holy crap, Jeep. All right, let's just stick that back to itself here. Okay, so what we're looking at here is your clips up in here. And if you see, there's a big fat one up here, and that one is gonna have to be pulled as well to actually release the door lock, and then you have a second clip just up there. So it's not too difficult, it looks more complicated than it is, so here we go. Big screwdriver here. That's super rusted. Look at that. Remember which direction that faces. Boop. Look at that. So there's an additional clip here that has to be taken off in order to wedge this on. So we're gonna do that real quick. All right, so I'm just gonna use like a really small little flathead to kind of like pressure this up. Just like that. And you can use an actual screwdriver, I'm just gonna use, and then you line everything up. On. And for the clip, you really just have to like pressure it back on, like it's just not gonna. Okay guys, so yesterday was totally nuts. So I put the locks all the way in and then found out that the locks were too small. So guys, a lot of these locks from these local stores may not actually fit the full door lock should you choose to swap them out like I had planned to. I was able to find locks for my half doors that fit perfectly. I don't know what happened this time around, but I will say that I did find a local locksmith to re-key these locks, these original locks, to the same key that I have in my half doors for about $50. So, I mean, is it a little more expensive? Yes. Is it going to be worth it for me not to have an extra key in my key ring? Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and install these, and yeah. Okay guys, so once we've got these clips reconnected, we're gonna put in the big clip that goes behind the lock in order to hold it. Mine are incredibly rusted, but hey, that's what it is. The trick is really just getting your hand up there to get against the lock, which is a bit difficult actually. Luckily I have small hands. All right, and there you have it. And I'm gonna be showing you how to reinstall the panels and everything as well. So reinstallation of panels, the main trick is, for me, to lower this window so I can get in here. And do a little bit of brute force. Pretty easy. Now we're going to reinstall screws and reinstall. Panel removal, everything. New locks, good to go.